What up guys, Morpheus here. Just want to show you something. It's not very often that I'm going to be excited and want to brag about something, but I have done something that I think is just amazing. I was delivered this purple chrome Rolls Royce, and whoever installed it, they did a lot of things: 2-piece, 3-piece front bumper, 2-piece fenders, 3-piece trunk. I mean, it was nasty. The mirrors, 5-piece mirrors. Your boy went ahead and boom, 1-piece nailed the fenders, 1-piece nailed the bumper. Oh wait, let's go see the trunk. It's raining. I mentioned it was raining, right? Boom, 1-piece bumper. It's all in the technique. And I laminated the chrome for this guy, so now the chrome won't get all scratchy and ugly. You're welcome. That's the way it's done right. I feel very proud. This is level 10 stuff right here. That's your chrome wrap done right. Man, I'm excited about this. All right, thanks for watching.